Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mish and I am doing a review on this lovely UNice wig. It is in the color ginger orange. It is lace and the parting is 13 by 4 inches in the front. It is a lace front wig, and right there you can see the lace. It practically matches my skin tone. I am loving this. It is not glued down, as you can tell right there as I lift it up. You can see my edges. Yes, let me put that back down. Yes, 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 yes. It is not glued down. You can wear this glueless. On this side, I do have some of the Got To Be Glue styling spray on it, and that's basically it. This hair is so nice and soft and vibrant. I just love this color. It is 18 inches long. It is human hair, and it is in the curl type of a body wave, and I am loving this. You can tell by the way I keep putting my hands through the hair that it is nice. Okay, there is a little bit of shedding, but one strand, that's basically it. I was a little bit skeptical about this website, but I am loving this hair. There is the part right there. All I did was pluck a little bit of hair out of it, and that was it, and put a little bit of concealer, and that was basically it. That's it. Loving this hair. Let me know what you think. If you like this, put a thumbs up, and you have a great day. Bye.